the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 launch is just a few months away. Leaks suggest that July 10th will be the unveiling date, and it looks to be Samsung's most tech-packed phone yet. So, this will be the company's most expensive phone of the year, unless we also get a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. So hope you saved, but it should be worth the money. With 2 big screens, a powerful chipset, and up to 16 GB of RAM likely to be included. We still don't know anything for sure about the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but leaks and rumors have revealed a number of possible specs, and we can make some educated guesses at most. So today, I will discuss what I have heard from these rumors that I find reliable. Predicted specs of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. We got a chart. The chart contains all the key specs that we think are likely for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's mostly based on leaks, and where there's conflicting information, we've either listed multiple possibilities, or gone by the most credible, or claims we've heard most often. There are also some educated guesses based on the specs of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Foldable display 7.6-inch AMOLED, 120Hz, 1812x2176. Cover screen 6.2 and 6.4-inch AMOLED, 120Hz, 904x23160. Operating system Android 15. Chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Rear cameras 50 megapixels wide, 12 megapixels ultra wide. Front camera 10 megapixels and 4 megapixels. RAM 16 gigabytes. Storage 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 terabytes. Battery 4400 mAh. So, as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will likely feature a 7.6-inch, 120Hz foldable AMOLED screen. Those are the same specs as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, but the Z Fold 6 will at least have a brighter 2600 nit display. The Galaxy Z Fold 6's foldable display may have a higher resolution of 1812x2176 than the Galaxy Z Fold 5's, though we're not sure what the exact resolution will be. As for the cover screen, there is disagreement on what size it will be, with one source saying it will have a 6.2-inch cover screen, like the Galaxy Z Fold 5, one saying the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a 6.4-inch cover screen, and one 6.3 divide the difference in inches. Big or not, it might get some upgrades, with one source claiming the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 could have anti-reflective technology on its cover screen, and another pointing to the use of Corning Gorilla Armor, which should make it more durable than its predecessor. Based on the display's past form, we also expect it to be an AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of at least 904x2316, although the resolution could also increase if it gets bigger. The chipset in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will almost certainly be a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which you'll find in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, among many other phones, and is the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So not only is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 the obvious choice, it's something numerous leaks have indicated. We've also heard from multiple sources that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 could have up to 16 GB of RAM. This is up from 12 GB on the Z Fold 5. So between that and the expected chipset upgrade, this could be a pretty powerful phone. However, the leak suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have the same storage as the current model, meaning 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB configurations. Cameras may be the weak link in the Z Fold 6's specs, as most sources claim that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have the same camera as the Z Fold 5. On the back, that means a 50 GB f1.8 main camera, a 12 GB f2.2 ultra-wide with 123-degree field of view, and a 10 GB f2.4 telephoto, offering 3x optical zoom. Up front, that means a 10mm f2.2 selfie camera, while the foldable screen will house a 4MP f1.8 under-display camera. One source said the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 could inherit one of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's cameras, while another said the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could have an under-display camera, so some improvements are possible. But with most sources not pointing to camera hardware changes, we suspect this is one area that won't be upgraded. Finally, according to a source, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 could have a 4,600 mAh battery. But others say the Z Fold 6 will have a 4,400 mAh battery instead of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We've heard the latter claim from multiple sources, so we'd say it's more likely. And the same sources claim it will charge at 25 watts. just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Of course, any or all of these could be wrong, and we won't know for sure until the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is unveiled, which will likely happen on July 10th. Price. We still can't say much for sure about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, but one thing we can be pretty sure of is that it will be an expensive phone. Less clear is exactly how much the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will cost. But between leaks and educated guesses, we have some ideas. And the good news is that it's likely to be cheaper than the Z Fold 5. Let's take a look at some predicted values. When predicting the price of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, a good starting point is to look at the price of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, since Samsung is likely to sell the upcoming phone at the same price. You can check the current model price, but in summary, if this year's prices stay the same, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will start at $1799, 1,049 penny, Australia $2599. There's reason to think the price might not be the same this year, as, at least in the UK and Australia, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 costs more than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which launched at $1799, 649 penny, Australia $2,499. As such, Samsung will raise prices again this year in some or all regions. On the other hand, pricing in the US remains firm, with even the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 having the same US starting price as the Z Fold 5, so at least some regions can maintain the previous prices. Although you can see that US prices have been the same for 3 years in a row, this is a sign that prices are now due to rise. Hopefully, we'll get a clear idea of the price soon, as with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 launching in July. There's a good chance the price will be leaked before long. But for now, we predict that the lowest possible starting price will be around $1,699, 1,649 penny, or 2,449. And the highest, as mentioned, will be around $1,199, 1,849 penny, AU $2,749, which is in line with the price of the Z5 Fold, $1,799, 1,749 penny, AU $2,579, probably the most. Today we talked about the various features of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Moreover, apart from these, there are many more things about the Z Fold 6 phone. If you want to know about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, tell in the comment box. Thank you for watching.